Hey friend, welcome to Cool Gadget Performance. With video you're welcome. Today in front of your some has so many products who are very wonderful and very useful for every man and woman. Who's do your work easily? We can do very easily if you connected with him the world of gadget. They you do not forget to subscribe of this channel. Not use it many times, but different I can use of it, which is wonderful drones we can use it, which can controls to doing transfers, which can controls which help each hand. Very useful do that. So you will wears that globe in his hand, which do his work when the sensors of this hand, which drones will be operate, which is text camera, which took the photos of super quality at video, which can use fly 6 stones. These stones you took in these towels because you can also fold it. After wearing this glove, you moved your hand as soon as like that your drones will also fly. If you want to that you can control its with phone apps. Number 3. Infinite Groundlet. Dear friends, some people want to become transfers but it's very not become this. These people see your very transfer movies, then you will see that stones. Which stones matter is a powerful if you do like that, then you use it. You can buy this which has fingers, it's many. It's kept many hands of stones, which hand of big stones to get to see, which stuck in this back side of hand, which gives us different types of sound, which has 3 battery which helps you can do that. After wearing handle, you can feel like that. Number 4. So guys, when you that effort after it you can feeling Iron Man like that Iron Man of movie wears to save the people. Children can do save the Thuffer and Interfana, which can push a button when you attack to use AC features. You can see wears in this hand. When you use it, it cannot need an electronic power. You stuck it one by one. When you present is that affair who can give the very enough meant of children. Number 5. Friends, you will see lightsabers like gaming, which is enough likes of children. If you want to enjoy of that light solar, then you can add also reflect. It's made alternate, which is very interesting to see it. Which handle becomes very smooth and main strong blade stuck it is sides of it. This blade's length is 70 cm. You can change its also looks. There are 3 sound LED also given, which is also different sides give to volume setting. Which main things which is collection of light. LED light is also use of this blade. After this are give advanced looks. It's use battery with lightsaber.